is to the right and is to the left. That's what it means to say the electrical field is like this. Everywhere to the left of 1.5, the electrical field is to the right. Everywhere to the right of 1.5, the electrical field is to the left. If I place positive charge there, it gets pushed that way. Then it goes beyond it, and then the electrical field pushes this way. Then it oscillates back and forth. You see? Now, what happens if I put a negative charge? If I put a negative charge, what does the potential energy function look like? Now it looks the reverse of this, right? So it goes 8, negative 8. At 1.5, it has negative 3.5. And these are all in joules again. So if I put a 1 coulomb charge there, what's going to happen? Objects always go towards lower potential energy, even lower. So negative 8, what's even lower than negative 8? Over here. So the object is going to go this way, okay? According to the potential energy function. So a negative charge placed at the origin is going to move to the left. So you see now, to analyze what happens to the object, we can't look at the potential function, the V. We have to look at the potential energy function. Okay? So now let's go to the electric field. Okay? If I put a negative charge here, what happens? Remember, the electrical field is pointing this way. Okay? The electric field is pointing this way. So if I place a negative charge here, what's the force felt by the negative charge? Force is equal to QE, right? If the Q is negative, the force pushes it this way. That means it feels the force opposite to the electrical field, so it moves to the left. If I place the charge this way, over here, it feels the force opposite to that, right? So either way, if you place the charge here or here, it moves towards infinity, negative infinity, and as described by the electrical field, it gets pushed this way, and it gets pushed that way. Okay, so here you can see the relationship between potential and electrical field, and between potential energy and force, and the two ways of describing what's happening to the object, by either drawing the potential energy function, or analyzing the number line and the electrical field, and which way the electrical field pushes the charge either to the left or to the right. Thank you very much. This is a pretty good example.